The FIAT 500e key fob uses a CR232 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. First, flip the fob over and locate the small slot or indentation. Insert your tool and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it. Next, remove the old CR232 battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the correct orientation. Snap the case back together firmly and test the key fob to ensure it's working. Ensure the case is sealed to prevent water damage. To extend battery life, avoid excessive button presses on your key fob. A common issue is a weakening plastic case that may need reinforcement with silicone sealant if the clips break. Improper sealing after battery replacement can lead to water damage and corrosion inside the fob. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, following local e-waste recycling guidelines. In the future, expect to see rechargeable key fobs or phone-based controls that eliminate the need for physical batteries. If problems persist after battery replacement, consult a professional to rule out internal fob damage.